In today's fast-paced security world, automation, speed, and precision are essential. Are you ready to take your role in the SOC to the next level? The Palo Alto Network's certified XSIAM analyst certification is designed for security professionals looking to master threat detection, response, and automation within the XSIAM platform. This certification proves your hands-on skills with real-world SOC tasks. From alert investigation and incident handling, to building automated response playbooks, managing endpoint security, and leveraging XQL for deep data analysis. With a detailed exam blueprint, you'll cover every key area, like the MITRE ATT&CK framework, forensic investigations, indicator management, and the power of the XSIAM Threat Response Center. But preparing for this advanced certification isn't something you should do alone. At Datacipher, we offer expert-led training tailored to the XSIAM analyst path. As a Palo Alto Network's authorized training partner, we provide guided learning, hands-on labs, and practical simulations to help you not only pass the exam, but succeed on the job. Whether you're a SOC analyst, incident responder, or threat hunter, Datacipher helps turn your XSIAM knowledge into action. Get certified. Get ahead. Prepare with Datacipher. Visit datacipher.net and start your journey today.